everyone, I'm Lauren with Ohio Power Tool, and today we're here with Haley from Milwaukee. Welcome.
Thanks, Lauren. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. What do you got for us today?
Super excited to be showing off our new MX FUEL backpack blower,
Awesome.
part of the MX FUEL system of products here at Milwaukee Tool. This is going to start shipping in June, and it's going to offer a higher blowing force than 63 cc's of gas.
Oh, wow. Okay. So how many CFM is that?
Yep, so you're gonna get 800 CFM at 190 miles per hour,
Wow.
up to 30 newtons of blowing force as well.
Okay, awesome. So that's quite a strong blower. This is kind of made for the pros who are doing those big commercial landscaping jobs and whatnot.
Yeah, made for the pros. You're gonna get best performance control, really increasing that work done. We have a special feature called Mode Select that's gonna improve productivity as well as runtime in the product, offering a low, medium, and high mode, ranging from about 20 to 45 minutes of runtime on one pack.
Great.
We're aware that the M18 backpack blower is a strong source for the professional user. This is stepping up to that MX FUEL system of products that's going to step not only the use for the landscape pros, but also that general contractor needing to clear job site debris.
Right. Yeah, so traditionally we've seen a lot of the MX stuff has been kind of concrete focused. So are we going to see some shift into landscaping and other tools?
It's a massive opportunity for the business. We definitely are aware that the work done is imperative to our landscape professionals, and is definitely an avenue that we're always interested in exploring further.
All right, so just to kind of dive in, I know you mentioned that we do have the M18 backpack blower. What are some of the key similarities and differences between the two?
Yeah, so on this backpack blower, you're gonna have that adjustable harness similar to the M18. So will be comfortable for the user with easy access to change the setting on the comfortability level of the backpack harness. You'll also have that telescoping handle, so easily adjustable for whatever arm length the user has.
Oh wow, okay, very nice. And then in terms of differences, obviously the power is going to be the huge thing because you're jumping M18 to MX. Any other kind of key differentiators there?
Yeah, one last thing I'll throw in is there is the ability to manage the performance through one key functionality. Say, hey, the day isn't going to, you're not going to get as much runtime, as much power, or blow force throughout the course of the day. You can bump down that max CFM to increase the runtime and productivity to really manage that performance for the user.
Great. And then obviously another thing when you're jumping from M18 to MX is battery size. So you see the battery here, it's much bigger than your, even a FORGE 12.0.
Yep.
So when it comes to weight, how do you know the weight?
Yep.
Okay. How much
so this pack, this tool is going to be kitted with two 12-amp-hour FORGE MX batteries.
Okay.
One pack weighs about 13 pounds.
Okay. So battery's 13. What about as a whole?
Yep. So with the battery, the tool is going to weigh 30 pounds.
Okay. So that's not too bad, honestly. And then you've got obviously the backpack for support. Are we going to see a non-backpack version, or you think we're just going to stick to these heavy-duty guys?
For right now, we have the backpack version, but here at Milwaukee Tool, we're committed to investing in our users and innovation in the forefront. So you never know what's coming next.
Yeah, and it depends on your feedback. So we kind of talked about the backpack, obviously for ease of use for your landscape pro. What other kind of features does this have that allow for ease of use? We also mentioned the telescoping pole.
Yeah, absolutely. So we do have different modes. So we have that low, medium, and high mode that you'll notice right at the grip of your handlebar. You'll be able to turn the tool on, turn it off, as well as change that mode functionality for the product. Very simple for the user to access at any time, and there's a opportunity for users to offer continuous blowing feature with this quick switch of the lever versus continuously toggling on and off, although we see that most frequently.
Yeah, so they just leave it going.
Yep.
Well, that's okay. It will drain your battery though.
That will happen, but with our optimized technology with the compatible with the FORGE pack, we really are optimizing our runtime, offering 45 minutes at full speed to 20 minutes at full speed on the highest mode here.
Okay, so 45 minutes on the low setting?
45 minutes at full speed on the low setting, and then 20 minutes at high speed
High setting.
High setting.
Okay,
yes.
all right, lots of settings going on there. So it does come kitted with the HD12.0 MX battery, but it's compatible with all MX batteries.
Yes, yep. Our MX Fuel products are all compatible with each pack.
Okay, as mentioned before, kind of with MX, we've seen a lot of concrete tools, kind of bigger equipment. How did we get to a backpack blower, and what's kind of the plan there?
Love that question. You know, MX Fuel, along with Milwaukee Tool, we're here to drive productivity and safety for our users. And with the MX system, we've really honed in on that form to finish process on any job for the GC, MEP, our core trades, right? From a landscape solution standpoint, we identified a massive opportunity for a high power draw, high runtime heavy product, and knew this was the right option for our users that's going to offer them the most productive product for the job that they need to get done.
Great, I love that. And then this is launching this summer, correct?
Yes, we'll start shipping in June.
June, all right. And then what is the price point on these?
Yeah, great question. So kitted is going to come with two 12-amp hour FORGE batteries, one rapid charger for $2,999.
Okay.
But will also be sold as a bare tool, which we're very excited about for the MX Fuel family. And as a bare tool will be sold for $999.
Oh, wow, okay. So obviously some money savings if you are already on the platform so that you can get just the bare tool. But honestly, for $2,000 extra for two HD12.0s and a supercharger, that sounds like more than $2,000 value.
Yes, yeah, right, a little over $2,500 in value just in the batteries and chargers with this kit.
Okay, well, those are all the questions that I have. Thank you, Haley, for coming in.
Thanks, Lauren.
Yeah, absolutely. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments below, and thanks for stopping by.
Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you liked the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.